Yo guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to make Lil Pump's Gucci Gang in FL Studio 11, but it can be used in 12 and 20. I don't know about past ones because I don't use it, but hi ho. So what you want to do to start off with is open up Citrus and have the Devil's High piano, which is in the Citrus presets gold pack, which you have to download. I don't think you have to buy it, but I know you have to download it for sure. It doesn't come stock, which is the worst bit. And once you've got it downloaded and all that, you want to allow this melody. Yeah, and you may be thinking to yourself, but that doesn't sound right. That's because what you want to do is let your gross beat, what do you call it, passion run free, and slap on a bit of half speed when in the momentary pack, which comes stock, by the way. So yeah, and you want to make it active, only 50% active though, and it should sound like this. And then what you want to do is you want to duplicate the Devil's High piano, or if you've got Doom 2, use the actual Doom 2 preset, which I'm not too sure of the name, but Big Head talks about it in one of his videos, so yeah, you just Google it on Genius. Yeah, and on my version I just put these chords. Yeah, and duplicate it for the third time, and lay out this melody. Which I think also has a gross beat. Yes, it does. So it will sound like this then. Yep. So then let's move over to the claps, which is just a standard every third beat and every bar. Yeah, and then the kick is this pattern. And then now let's move over to hi-hats. It's just a simple roll, then until this roll. I'll just play. Hang on. I've not allowed it to be displayed. There we go. I love doing this, you know. That was the hi-hat, so now we're going to move into the 808s. Yeah, that was the 808s, and then now just the rim, which isn't the right rim. Where is the rim? Here it is. Wait, that wasn't even the right 808. This is the right 808. Let's try and find it. There we go. This is the right 808. That was just a secondary 808. This is the right one. Does it sound better if it's up? definitely not. Right, yeah, anyway, let's go back to the rim, which is this pattern. Which is actually used in the song, that's just not made up. And then, let's just, is there anything I missed? This is the rise. That's the rise that Big Head used in the song. So yeah, I'm just going to play the full beat, and let you guys endure the beat. Yeah. It might help if I unmuted it. So yeah, that was Gucci Gang by Little Pump and Big Head. And if you guys want me to make any more remakes of songs, like right now I've made a Skedit and some made by Heartless Beats. If you don't know him, I'll put a link in the description. And I'm gonna try and make a 21 Savage type beat. So yeah, if you guys like this video, leave a like, leave a comment down below saying who you want me to try and make next time. And yeah, peace. I'll put a download to the FLP in the description.